So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the anti-gravity goat, tornado goat, and my favorite goat, the alien goat. So let's get right into the video. I couldn't download this app on my tablet, so I have to just do this. Okay. Come on. You might not be able to. Let me sit on my camera. Okay. Sorry. Okay. What you want to do is, so you want to come over here. You want to get that little black circle. So let's go over here. Come up here. Try to jump through this hole. You want to get to this little black hole. Lick it. Bring it with you. Okay, hold on 1 second. No, it's stuck up there. Come back. Okay. Dang it. Okay. My Kindle's glitching. Oh, this Kindle is stupid right now. Oh, my phone fell. Don't care about the underground thingy. Click the X. Okay. So I want to come over here. Make sure you have this still. Just run over here. You want to come to this Mario looking pipe. Jump. All holes are holes, and then jump in. This should take you into the little portal, and then you should see this blue light right there. And then you should come to this room. So you come in the room, jump out, go to right here, jump. You want to get up there. Yes. Then come right here, and you unlock the anti-gravity goat. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to unlock the tornado goat. So let's go to the place. It isn't in this spot. Okay, let's go in here. Nope. Deactivate. Travel. This is a little long tongue. That means it's loading. I'll see you when we're in the map. Okay. And you want to come to the second one, and just climb up. And you want to get this tornado looking cup. No, I fell. Okay, just want to lick it. Jump down. Whee! Okay. Then you want to take it over here. Come up here. Turn right here. You see this? Place it right in the middle. And then tornado goat. And what happens when you do this? Pew! Okay, now I'm going to show you how to unlock the alien goat. First, before I show you how to unlock the alien goat, I'm going to show you this really cool glitch. Okay, so you see this? It just looks like a normal wall, but what you can actually do is you just jump right through it, which just is empty space, but still, it's really cool. Okay, now how to unlock the alien goat. So you want to come in this alley right here. See that little white ring? You want to jump on top of the dumpster, grab the white ring, take it. Where you want to take it is, stop. Okay, you want to come, take it. It's right here. Place it in there. And you want to come all the way over here. I'm trying to be fast so this video doesn't end. Okay, all the way over here. All the way over here. Okay. Sorry, my Kindle's glitching. You want to lick this big fat alien? Drag him. Just want to take him all the way over here. Take him all the way over here. Just drag him back to that garage. And then just put him in and you turn into the alien goat. There we go. You turn